So this video, I'm going to show you how I did my eyebrow. I got so many compliments about it yesterday, so stay tuned. What's good, YouTube family and friends? I hope everybody's well and blessed. So today for this video, I'm going to show you, like, I figured this out yesterday, so I did get compliments on it about my eyebrows. So, like, of course I was trying to do something different other than using this. So I am going to use this today, this brow thingy, and then I'm going to use some of these e.l.f. Thingies, whatever, and an angle brush and some concealer. So the first thing I did was I just brushed them. Okay, when you heard somebody saying take it off, I'm just letting y'all know that I'm watching Fresh Prince. And so that's why I'm watching. If you hear somebody say, take it off. So it ain't like that. But first I just brushed them up. Give it a little brush. Then I take the stencil and I put the stencil against my eye. But normally I put some moisturizer stuff on my face. I don't have no kind of tape with me or anything like that. And I just rub it on my face. So basically the stencil will like stay there. So I go like this to make sure it's like lined up very well with it. And then I go like this. I'm not gonna use some of my bonnet to hold it up. Hey! So I go like this. Then I take my brow thingy. And then I just go brush it like this. So once I do that, I take it off and it looks like this. And sometimes you might have to go back in it. If you have another one, I'm gonna just use the same one and just put it on here.
I want to know what excuse you have for pulling such a stupid stunt. We needed the money. For what? And I want the truth. All right, it's like this, Uncle Phil. See?
So it doesn't matter if it looks all messed up and everything else, because you're going to basically clean it up with the concealer. So I take this spoolie, and it might feel a little like hard and stuff like that, but I normally take this like to brush it to loosen up the hairs, to basically it could look like more natural and stuff like that. This is still wet. So I'm gonna take my concealer, and I'm gonna take my brush. This might be dry now. Yeah, it's dry now.
Alabama State Police lined up on the other side of that bridge, and it's like, what you gonna do?
So remember, your eyebrows are not twins, they're just sisters. So one might look up here, might be down here or whatever. But anyhow, I'm gonna take my concealer and my brush, and I'm gonna take some, and then I'm gonna go clean it up. Kind of a little hard for me because I'm using the camera and not a mirror, because with the mirror I'm normally up close a little bit. But
Find your degree at snhu.com.
so as you can see, it's like a little bit more cleaner than what this one is. So I'm gonna take my brush, dip it on top of the concealer. So this is how I do my eyebrows. And then if you want to put your makeup on and everything else, do it that way. If you're the type of person that does your brow first, then put your foundation on and stuff like that. I kind of figured this out yesterday and I thought it was like, oh my goodness, my eyebrows are on fleek. So this is how I do them. So if you like them and everything else, please like and subscribe. But if you like them and everything else, if you have another technique how to do your eyebrows and everything, please comment down below and everything else. But I just figured this out yesterday. I was like, you know, I got these stencils, got a brush, got this. And sometimes with the pencil, it does like leave a little smudge and stuff like that, but you can still use it on top of here if you need like a little angle on it and stuff. But other than that, I just like the way it is by using the stencil and the little brow mascara thingy, gel, whatever. So anyway, like I said, I hope this helps somebody and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.